Okay, here's a little hand sewing hack that I just accidentally discovered. Actually, been sewing with this little notebook cover for a TCA project. Lots of sewing here, waxed linen at 10 stitches per inch, but of course I had to negotiate around these snaps in order to get clamped up here. So what I did was punched a hole, which then of course would go in there, and then I could clamp it in to my jaws of my stitching horse right there. So anyway, what I found out was when I see if I can get this in position. What I found was when I would get this all chucked up in my jaws right here was this little awl that I've got, which was made in the Czech Republic. Really nice, high quality awl. And so what you do is you wind up, you locate your point there, and then you max out the awl going in there with this piece of skirting leather here. So what you wind up doing is getting more consistent with the length of the awl as it goes into the material, so I have more uniform stitch length. So I just push, maxes out on. It also helps you kind of keep honest on the angle of your awl. So it's all about trying to get a consistent looking stitch on the top side, and of course on the back side as well. So something I just discovered here a few moments ago, and thought I'd share that with you if you're struggling with trying to get things consistent with your stitches. It also, I think, you just push, and you don't have to kind of keep an eye on how deep you're going. You just max it out right on that little block of leather right there. So you just push back out. The thing that makes this, if you got an awl, of course, that's pretty consistent in the shaft, the width of the blade of the awl, but this is not. It's got some taper to it. So I suppose if you had an awl blade that was consistent from the point clear back, it might not be that big a deal, but I've had to kind of check myself on how deep I go, because the deeper I go, then the larger the hole would be on the top side, and then struggle with consistency then. So anyway, a little bit of a shop hack that I thought you might enjoy.